we start immediately in order to be on time at 10:15 with the first slide. And you can guess who this will be. And the municipality, of course, of Kozani. You had before, so we can skip. Okay, we can proceed with the next slide. So from the ADIMA, okay, you can come to the front so that we have it on online also with a micro.
So good morning, everybody. From my side, I'm Mr. Periklis Kafasis, and I am Director of Supply Services and EU Project of the ADIMA, and I represent the Waste Management Company of Western Macedonia. For the last 25 years, the ADIMA, under its obligations and responsibilities, is the main sector in Western Macedonia for the integrated waste management system. Even though we started our operation in 1998 with 61 municipalities and communities, and that was very difficult for all of them to collaborate and to create an organization for waste management, we managed within a very few years to design, to implement, and to operate the first integrated waste management system in Greece. Now we are considered as the best example in waste management in our country, and as pioneers in the waste management sector. For the last 15 years, we also developed a department of EU projects, and through research, we managed to find solutions for prevention, recycling, and reuse. And we believe now that through NEUTRON project and other similar projects, we will find ways how to solve the environmental problems of our area and how to manage to be decarbonized more easily. For that reason, thank you very much for our cooperation, and we believe that this project will be a first step for the solution in our area. Thank you very much.
Periklis, we would like to apologize for not including you at this slide. We thought that only Kyriaki would speak. However, we will correct the slides and will provide to you shortly.
Okay.
Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Georgios Panaras. I'm an associate professor at the University of Western Macedonia, and I'm very happy here to represent the IAF, the district heating company of Kozani. First of all, thank you, the people from Jülich, for the invitation and for the hospitality. So we have, let's say, a very good experience, a long-lasting experience on the issues related to the district heating system of Kozani. We have a strong collaboration and long-lasting with the company in terms of the well, let's say, working with regard to the district heating system and specializing, let's say, on the digitization of the district heating system, which I think, to my point of view, is very important towards also the next day, towards the challenges of the decarbonization, because now we have to, let's say, forget, or we have to pass to a new framework, that is, forget the supply from one system that was traditionally the PPC, the power, the lignite coal-fired plants. Now we have to have let's say, multiple energy systems. And of course, the system that we are discussing now is a very prospective one based on renewable energy sources, which is also very important. And within this context, I think digitization of the system, that means monitoring, the ability to monitor and control is very important. We are working, we have strong collaboration with Spiros on working package 3. Of course, that is the elaboration of technical data of the network and their integration into the planning of this neutron demonstration plant. Unfortunately, Mr. Panousis couldn't be here, the director of the district heating system. We have here the director of the complete company, Mr. Mathiakis, and also Mr. Bagavou, who is responsible for the biological treatment. So it's a very prospective project. I think I have passed the 1 minute that Spiros told. We can talk a lot, and I'm very happy to be here, and thank you very much again.
Good morning and a very good morning to everyone. I'm Magis Papadopoulos. In my civil life, I've been now for 26 years a professor of energy systems at the School of Mechanical Engineering of the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, but today I stand in front of you in my capacity as chairman of the board of the Thessaloniki Water Supply and Sewage Company. We are the second biggest company of this type in Greece, after the Company of Athens, obviously. We provide water and sewage services to about 1.1 million people. And to give you an idea, we have a daily water supply of about 250,000 cubic meters and the respective sewage treatment afterwards. We're a company that is listed in the Athens Stock Exchange, so we are quite interested in energy efficiency, not only because we believe in sustainable growth, but because we want to have decent financial results by the end of the year. And this is why we are also involved in the NEUTRON project. To give you an idea, we consume annually about 116 gigawatt hours of electricity. Pumping, refining, pumping the sewage, treating the sewage. So we try to explore every possibility to improve efficiency, to utilize novel technologies. We have set a goal to reduce our carbon footprint by 50% by 2030, and I think we will achieve this within the next 2 or 3 years, actually, because we have invested strongly in renewables, but also in energy efficiency. In the last 3 years, we reduced our specific energy consumption by about 11%. We have finished the refurbishment of the main sewage treatment plant. The director, Kostas Kotoulas, is here, and also Eva, who's a specialist in electrical engineering and load management. So we are very glad to participate in the project, looking forward to any good ideas and best practices that may emerge. And we will also look forward to welcoming you in Thessaloniki, hopefully in September. Yes, and then Spiro, once again, thanks very much for organizing it and for having us here. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, from my side. I'm Christos Vlachokostas. I'm an associate professor representing Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. First of all, allow me to congratulate my dear friend Spiros for this excellent organization and time-efficient also organization. Aristotle University of Thessaloniki and our laboratory, Sustainability Engineering Laboratory, is very glad to participate in this very interesting, very challenging project. As, let's say, a whole, as Aristotle University has 3 laboratories aboard. We are dealing, as Dimitris showed yesterday, with biogas, biomethane, renewable energy potential in the area, market analysis and legal analysis. And in my opinion, I think it is vital to put the 3 pillars, 3 dimensions of sustainability in that discussion, which is, to be honest, a crucial issue when we are discussing about technologies such as this, challenging future technologies about decarbonization. Decarbonization is a very complex term. And it goes without saying that we should definitely see, apart from environmental compliance, environmental friendliness, eco-friendliness, it is also vital to see economic viability, which is important, and of course, social awareness, social consensus when we are dealing with these important technologies. It is also very interesting, and I'm very glad to hear that the municipality is continuing this important work that is related to this, in my opinion, as I said, solution. It's not, it is one-way solution for the area. Of course, as I always say to my students, and I would finish with this to be on time, it is important when we are discussing about decarbonization, when we are discussing about green energy, when we are discussing about renewable energy sources, to also have in mind that how important it is to have in parallel an alternative, productive, operational model that has to do with work, jobs, and growth in the area. That's all from me. Many thanks. Also, hi to our colleagues from
Okay, from SIG, okay. I think my dear colleague Joachim already presented the SIG, so I'm just for my person, I'm professor at the university, and also I'm on the board of directors of SIG. So, go on, please.
Hello, myself. I'm Nikos Margaritis. I'm a mechanical engineer. I work in, I present here the Center for Research and Technology Hellas and the local branch that is located in Ptolemarida in West Macedonia region. CERT has as a role to promote research, innovation, and regional development in the area. For us, it's very important to bring all these technologies to the area, which are promising to do also for the district heating. There's a big problem in our area related to unemployment rate. This is the big problem of ours. Most of my friends are colleagues of mine in Austria, Germany, or other places, because a lot of us, after the university, we didn't have job opportunities. So we try to change this climate in our area and to bring new job opportunities related also to decarbonization of the area. So we cooperate with the municipality and the region in different projects. For example, a pool for the new European powerhouse, with reformers for the making renewable valleys in regions like us. And also we act as technical advisor of the region and the municipality in also helping municipality in the climate neutrality plan. This is our role in CERT. Okay, thank you very much.
So hello everyone, also from my side. My name is Daniel Högemann. I'm representing here inside the consortium the company Kraftanlagen Energies and Services. Formerly we were called Kraftanlagen München, as also Joachim already mentioned. Kraftanlagen is a typical EPC, so engineering, procurement, construction company based in Munich in Germany. Being active in the field of power plants and energy systems for over 100 years now. With a strong focus always on combined heat and power plants and also district heating systems. So we are quite familiar with the technology. I'm personally based in the technology development group inside the company, where we have quite a long history working together with the research institutes here in Jülich, both the Solar Institute Jülich and also the German Aerospace Center having a base here. And inside this collaboration, we were involved as EPC in both the lighthouse projects here in Jülich, which was first the solar tower in 2007 and 2008, and then afterwards the multi-test facility we will visit afterwards. We were also project partner and responsible for the conceptual design, engineering, and then together with the Solar Institute also the construction of this research plant. And I'm really looking forward also later to give you an insight on why we see Kozani as a predestined case to implement a very innovative project and basically designing a green CHP plant to substitute the currently running lignite plant based on renewable energies. So thank you everyone, and also to the Solar Institute for the organization. Really looking forward to this workshop.
Hello everybody, my name is George Marcus. I'm the director of Jülich Electricity Company. It's a renewable company that main industry is solar energy, building efficiency, waste to energy, circular economy. That's all.
Okay, John, do we have someone from ABB online maybe?
Yes, if we could unmute Mr. Angelos Chasiotis.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
And then Mr. Dimitrios Tourovolas. Thank you.
Okay, great. Great to have you with us. Many wishes to Greece.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Angelos Chasiotis. I'm representing at this project ABB Asabron Brewery, the Greek branch. My apologies for not being able to be there with all of you. Actually, ABB is a global leader in power automation technologies. It's based in Zurich, Switzerland. The company employs more than 100,000 people and operates in approximately 100 countries. The Greek branch is based in Athens with more than 200 employees. ABB's business is comprised of 5 divisions that are organized in relation to the customers and industries they serve. The group is particularly proud of its record for innovation, widely recognized through countless awards and scientific accolades. For NEUTRON project, ABB is responsible for work package 4, the pilot project for emission reduction identification and simulation tools, and we are proud to have starting to develop the digital twin of the green heating module. Thank you.
So, hello everyone. I am Dimitrios Tourovolas and I'm representing Ergoncell, and I'm pleased to highlight Ergoncell's role, particularly as leaders of work package, which focuses on communication and dissemination in our project. This leadership underscores our commitment to not only advancing technology, but also ensuring these innovations are widely understood and embraced. Our team at Ergoncell is comprised of electrical engineers, architects, economists, and legal practitioners. This diverse group of professionals brings a multidisciplinary approach to tackling Europe's and Greece's twin transitions, the digital and green seeds that are shaping our future. So, Ergoncell provides concrete solutions for public sector and private industries and technical support for various projects, including sensitive sectors such as telecommunications and energy. Ergoncell can support the industry's ambition towards adaptation to the twin, digital and green, transition from bridging the technological, institutional, financial, or regulatory barriers that they need to overcome in order to take further action on climate change. Ergoncell has been actively involved in the European Union mission for 100 climate neutral and smart cities as a partner in both Kouzanis and the Ioanninas project, and now at the third Trikala project under the Net Zero Cities Pilot Cities program. In summary, Ergoncell aims to aid industries to overcome the complex barriers of the twin transitions and fostering a sustainable environment. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Okay, very well. So we are on time.